Introduction. Welcome back to Bike Zone Pro, your ultimate destination for the latest reviews, insights, and deep dives into the world of motorcycles. In today's video, we're rolling out something raw, bold, and iconic, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Iron 883. Whether you're a longtime Harley enthusiast or someone curious about what this powerhouse cruiser has to offer in its latest iteration, you're in the right place. The Iron 883 has always been a fan favorite in Harley's Sportster lineup, and the 2025 version stays true to its gritty legacy while bringing in subtle yet impactful updates. Let's hit the road and explore what the new Iron 883 brings to the table. A legacy that roars on. The Harley-Davidson Iron 883 has a strong legacy that dates back to its debut in 2009. Designed as a dark, stripped-down cruiser with an old-school attitude, the Iron 883 became one of Harley's most accessible and beloved models. Fast forward to 2025, and Harley-Davidson continues to preserve that minimalistic, raw aesthetic while adding modern refinements. This bike remains a bridge between classic American iron and contemporary street-style culture. Its distinctive look and feel are still a huge part of what makes it appealing to both newcomers and seasoned riders. Design and styling, still dark, still beautiful. The 2025 Iron 883 maintains its blacked-out aesthetic with very few chrome elements, staying true to its dark custom theme. Matte black paint, smoked indicators, and a low-slung stance make this bike look aggressive even while parked. However, this year, Harley has introduced a new midnight copper color option that adds a subtle, metallic sheen under sunlight, giving it a modern twist without compromising its rugged vibe. The chopped fenders, peanut-style fuel tank, and solo seat all make a comeback. New this year is a revised LED headlight setup, offering better visibility and a more modern touch, especially for night riding. Overall, the design changes are evolutionary, not revolutionary, keeping the spirit of the Iron 883 intact. Engine and performance, pure V-twin muscle. Underneath that rugged shell is Harley's time-tested 883 cubic centimeters air-cooled Evolution V-twin engine. For 2025, the motor remains mechanically similar but benefits from improved fuel mapping and an updated exhaust system. These tweaks offer smoother throttle response and slightly better fuel efficiency without compromising on the throaty, signature Harley growl. With 54 horsepower and 54 lb-ft of torque, the Iron 883 won't win drag races, but that's not what it's built for. This bike is about torque-rich cruising and urban prowling. The power delivery remains linear and predictable, ideal for both city commutes and open highway adventures. Ride and handling, lean, mean, and nimble. One of the most attractive aspects of the Iron 883 is its compact frame and low seat height, which sits at just 25.7 inches. This makes it incredibly accessible for riders of all sizes, especially beginners. The 2025 model features slightly retuned suspension, with 39mm front forks and preload adjustable rear shocks that offer a better balance between comfort and responsiveness. Weighing in at around 564 pounds, the Iron 883 handles quite well for a cruiser. It's nimble in tight traffic and maintains composure through corners, though the lean angles are still modest. If you're into carving canyons, you'll find the limits quickly, but for daily rides, this bike hits the sweet spot between control and cruising comfort. Braking and safety, basic but reliable. Braking duties are handled by single-disc brakes at both ends, with a dual-piston caliper setup in the front and rear. The 2025 version now includes standard ABS across all variants, a welcome addition for safer stops, especially on wet or uneven terrain. While the brakes aren't groundbreaking, they're more than adequate for the Iron 883's performance levels. Traction control and ride modes are still absent, which may feel outdated compared to other midweight cruisers. However, this simplicity is also what appeals to purists. No ride-by-wire, no digital interference. Just you and the machine. Technology and instrumentation, minimal but functional. Don't expect a high-tech dashboard or infotainment system here. The Iron 883 retains its classic look with a simple analog speedometer, and a small digital display showing trip meters, gear position, and fuel level. However, for 2025, the screen is now backlit in white instead of orange, improving visibility in different lighting conditions. USB charging ports have finally made it to the Iron 883, tucked under the tank for discrete phone charging. Bluetooth or navigation? Not here. And honestly, that's part of the charm. This is a bike for those who value the analog connection between man and machine. Customization potential, a blank canvas. Harley-Davidson has always embraced customization, and the Iron 883 is no exception. The 2025 model comes with a huge catalog of aftermarket parts straight from Harley's own accessory line. From 8 hanger bars to custom seats, slip-on exhausts, and blackout kits, the options are nearly endless. This makes the Iron 883 not just a motorcycle, but a canvas for self-expression. Whether you want to transform it into a bobber, cafe racer, or retro tourer, the foundation is solid and inspiring. Price and value. Accessible American muscle. One of the biggest draws of the Iron 883 is its pricing. For 2025, the base model starts at around $11,999 US, with minor variations depending on color and regional taxes. While this places it slightly above some entry-level Japanese cruisers, you're paying for the Harley badge, the heritage, and a visceral riding experience that others just don't replicate. With minimal maintenance needs and a strong resale value, the Iron 883 remains one of the most cost-effective ways to own a Harley-Davidson without compromising on style or soul. Who is the Iron 883 for? The 2025 Harley-Davidson Iron 883 is not a sport bike, not a long-distance tourer, and certainly not built for speed demons. It's for the rider who values style, heritage, and the elemental experience of cruising on an American V-twin. It's ideal for beginners due to its manageable power, and yet seasoned riders will still appreciate its character and charm. If you're looking for high-tech gadgetry, modern electronics, or racing performance, look elsewhere. But if you want a ride that feels connected, old school, and unapologetically badass, the Iron 883 delivers, every single time. Final thoughts. The Iron icon lives on. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Iron 883 doesn't try to reinvent the wheel. Instead, it sharpens what already works, a raw, soulful ride wrapped in timeless design. With subtle improvements to comfort, lighting, and safety, it continues to be a gateway into the world of Harley-Davidson, one that's accessible, customizable, and deeply authentic. At Bike Zone Pro, we think Harley made the right move by not overhauling the Iron 883 but refining it in meaningful ways.